Babies, let's enjoy some letter. P to T. Green color, brown color, black color, orange color, gold color, purple color, red color, pink color, silver color, brown color, P. P for parrot, P for pig. Green color, Q. Q for queen, Q for quilt. Red color, R. R for rain, R for rat. Orange color, S. S for star, S for strawberry. Purple color, T. T for tiger, T for tree. Brown color, P. P for parrot, P for pig. Green color, Q. Q for quilt, Q for queen. Red color, R. R for rat, R for rain. Orange color, S. S for strawberry, S for star. Purple color, T. T for tiger, T for tree. Thank you.